Hello everyone. In the series of learning concepts in C programming. So in our previous video we have discussed about int main and void main. What is the significance of int main and void main? So we are going to discuss in this video that how the simple C programming structure looks, and then how we can improve the programming skills, and what are the ways we can just do the symbol program and symbol logical reasoning, how we can develop. So those things we will discuss in our in the learning aspect of C programming. And so in this video we are going to see that how the symbol structure of the C program looks, and then we will see further what are the things to be included. So the symbol tree structure of the program, mainly this is the very simple that means structure of the C programming. So it means it should have the preprocessor section and then main section. So in this program, what happened, we don't have any output. That means this program will run, but this program will not give any output. So it will be it will be the successful execution. So because we are using the int main, then we have the return 0. So the program will be executed successfully by the operating system. So but it will not give any output, so the output will be empty or nil. So it means we will see preprocessor section and we need to have a main section. These are the two sections important for the symbol, that means C programming. So we can just say that preprocessor section, nothing but the hash is nothing but preprocessor directive. So in this only we are including the header file. The header file is included in this preprocessor directive. So what is the header file? We just say standard input output header file. So the standard input output header file is included in the preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive means direction given for the preprocessor. That is what the meaning. So mainly in this header file we have two important function, nothing but printf and scanf. So those functions have been included in this preprocessor directive, especially in this header file. So now this is one of this is important section required for the that means basic structure of the C programming. The next one, main section. This main section starts with the int main, then bracket opening and closing, and then we have a curly brace, brackets opening and closing. Then within this, we have a return 0 because we are using the int main, then return 0 also should be included. So this is the very simple, very basic, we can say. Suppose in this if you want to get some output, so we want to have some printf statement. So the printf statement we have to include. So just we can say printf. So this is hello. Just we can just say hello everyone. So this is the very simple C programming. So the next thing is the printf. This is the printf. Then the functions. It has two important functions. One is this function has to display the statements. Means display the statements in the display screen. Means for printing the statements in the display screen, and also for printing the instructions. Hello everyone. Generally within the double quote, whatever we are writing, that is called a string. So we will see later. What are this importance of this way writing the strings. Then the strings generally should be written within the double quote. Then this is what we call it as statements. So these statements will be printed. Whatever we are writing within the double quote, that will be printed. So anything. So instead of hello everyone, so welcome to hello, okay, welcome to the channel, or welcome to India. So whatever, okay, welcome Ganesh. So whatever you want to say, so whatever you, okay, you want to say, that you can write it here. Then if you are running this program, okay, in the local computer, then in the display we will be getting this okay statement. So this is one thing. So this is for, okay, printing the instructions and also for printing the output. So that is one of the that means functions of the printf. Next one we have, okay, just we can just say that to print the, we can just say to print the instructions, to print the instructions or, okay, to print the output, to print the output. Okay, so this is the one of the important functions of the printf. Then next one we have, what is that? So that means suppose if you have a okay, instead of hello everyone, we want to get one that means output to be printed. So this is the symbol statements that we are or symbol instructions we are printing in the screen or in the display screen. Suppose if you want to get the output, for example, we have a, so we are just defining one variable int. So int num. So int num is the int is the keyword. Actually it is nothing but data type. So integer is the data type, num is the variable. So for this, even we can just do the declaration. So num, okay, we have declared. Then in the next line we can say num equal to 10. So this is called declaration. This is called initialization. Okay. So in this program, okay, we just say that this is nothing but this we can say as the, this one, yeah, this one we can say as the declaration. So then this is nothing but initialization. So okay, so this is okay, we have done. Now, okay, how to get this number to be printed? So what we can do, that we can just write up, just we can change this. What? So we can write the given number, that means the entered number, or the given number is, the given number is, okay, so the given number is, so it means it should be written in the double quote, but we have to write it, okay, like this. The given number is percentage %d. So this is, then double quote, comma, then we have to give the integer name. So that integer name, nothing but num. So this is, okay, so this is what, okay, what we say, yeah, this is what we say the this is another, okay, functions of the printf. So first function we have seen to print the instruction and also to print the output. The next one, this is the output, and this output has certain format. So that means we have declared a variable, and that variable has been assigned the value. Now, okay, this has to be, this number, this value has to be printed in the display screen. How we are getting? So with the help of printf only. So what happened? This printf, okay, prints the data. So because the number, okay, 10 is the data. So the data is printed with the help of format specifier. So we have one thing called format specifier. So this is nothing but format specifier. So format specifier is required. Format specifier is required to display the data on the screen. So format specifier, it means this percentage %d. is the percentage D is the format specifier. So now what is the next important point function, that means important point about the printf? So it's nothing but it requires format specifiers format specifiers and a variable name. After just mentioning the format specifier, that is comes in the double quote, okay, within the double quote, then immediately we comma num. So that variable name we have to mention, because num is the variable name. So variable name, that has to be mentioned. So then only we will get the output. The given name is 10. So like that we will get the output in the display screen. So these are the two important functions of the printf. So that first thing, okay, we have to understand. So the okay, now we have seen, initially we have seen what is the very basic structure of the C programming. One is the preprocessor section, another one is main section. Now okay, we have included in the main section, within the main section we have included in the declaration, and we have included the initialization. So and also these two are called the printf and this one. So this generally we can call it as the execution section. So whenever we are writing printf, okay, means below the initialization, below the declaration and initialization, whatever we write, so that is nothing but execution section. So that is, we can say, okay, so within the main section we have a declaration and initialization, and we have a execution sections. So these are the important or mainly required sections for writing the C program. So this is the basic structures we can say. So now okay, we'll just see the another important functions in the header file, that is included in this header file, nothing but scanf. So we have seen, okay, the important functions of the printf. Then next one we will see about scanf. So the scanf, okay, what it says. Suppose, okay, now we have to write it here. The scanf, we will just we have declared the variable, and now okay, the initialization we are not doing, okay. So now okay, we have to say what we can write it in three statements, 3 lines. Okay, one is the printf. So printf we can write. So the printf, okay, what it says, printf we can just say yeah. So this is nothing but we just say enter a number, enter a number, or yeah, enter a number. Okay, so we have seen that whatever we are writing in the double quote, that will be printed on the display screen. So that is one of the functions of the printf. Okay, now okay, this will be printed on the when we are running the program, this will be printed on the display screen. And next one, okay, we have to just use the scanf. So the function of main, the importance of the scanf is nothing but we can just write scanf. Now okay, scanf also within the double quote we have to mention the format specifier. So here just we are writing the format specifier. So format specifier we are mentioning within the double quote, we are mentioning the format specifier. So it means now okay, we can just say after the format specifier we have to write the address of the variable. Okay, so we can just say ampersand to indicate the address of the variable location. We are saying we are okay, writing ampersand a. A is the, sorry, a num, not ampersand a, ampersand num, because num is the variable name. So what type of variable, to indicate that only we are giving the format specifier. So nothing but it is the integer type data. So integer type data, so that okay, represented with the help of percentage d, and then this is ampersand num, so nothing but address, okay, memory location of the variable. So in this memory location that variable will be stored, okay. So that is what we have to understand. Okay, now we have written the scanf. So the main function of the scanf is, this scanf will read all type of data, any type of data that can be read with the help of scanf. So that is one of the functions, or one of the importance of the scanf. So that is okay, we can write. So the scanf, the importance of the scanf is nothing but we can to print, to read all type of data. So that is all types of data. Yeah, okay. So this is one of the functions of the scanf. Then it has one more functions. That means what happened during the runtime. So during the runtime, for entering the input, okay, so that is for that the scanf will be used. That means assigning of the value to the variable. So okay, so whenever, okay, we are running this program, what happened, first the enter the number will be printed on the display screen, and next one the scanf. So it will be, okay, the percentage d and ampersand num. So this, okay, this format, okay, what it will ask the user, it will be blinking after the enter a statement, okay, that display, then it will be blinking. It means it is asking the user to give the input. So then you need to give the input. That is the idea, okay. Unless you enter some value, then that will not go. So as long as okay, you are taking time to enter this scanf, this will be blinking in the it will have a blinking in the display screen. That is what we have to understand. So that means assigning the value, assigning the data or value, assigning the value to the variable. What, when we are doing during the runtime, because while running the program, it will be asking in the display screen. So that is it is asking means that is the blinking. So after the enter a number display, then it will be blinking, then user has to give the input. So okay, assigning the value to the variable during runtime, so that is very important. So okay, so these are the two important functions are okay of the scanf. So we have seen about printf and this. Now okay, we have just seen about the scanf. So okay, generally these two, again these two sections or these two lines, generally we can call it as the execution section. Okay, so so this is okay. Once okay we have entered, again we need to get the output. Okay, so that for that we can write printf. So we have entered the number, so we can just say they entered the number. Yeah, the entered number is percentage d. The entered number is percentage d. Okay, then comma, as we have seen earlier, okay, we need to give the that means variable name. Okay, this is the format. Okay, so means as we have seen that the second functions of the printer. Okay, so we need to for printing the output. Okay, for printing the output data, that means we are using the format specifier, and also we are just using the variable name. Okay, now okay, this program is complete, because we are we are asking the user to enter a number. The number will be entered. Okay, so then printf, with the help of this printf, we will be getting the output in the, that means in the display screen. The entered number is 10. So whatever number we are entering in, okay, during the blinking, okay, that blinking of the cursor, no, in the display screen. So whatever number we are entering, that number will be printed here. So okay, so that is how, okay, what we can say that this program will be executed successfully, and then program will end up. Okay, so this is the basic and very simple way to write the C program. And now we have seen the important, okay, even we just wrote the one simple, okay, program, but in this simple program also we have seen that what are the important sections involved: preprocessor sections and main sections. So this is the major two major sections to be there in the C, okay, structure of the C program. Then within that, okay, whatever we are okay including, so those and all what we have seen. Okay, so that is a different, okay, subsection